Hey there, QA enthusiasts and manual testers. Are you worried about losing your job as a manual QA or looking to switch from manual testing to automation? Join Vasil, test automation guru, and me on August 21st at 9 a.m. PST for our complimentary workshop with Playwright and ChatGPT. 0 to first test in just 60 minutes. Yes, you hear it right. In just 60 minutes of hands-on sessions, we'll guide you through creating your first Playwright test from scratch with the power of AI. If you do not have previous coding experience, no worries. This workshop is for complete beginners. Playwright is the future of web automation, and we'll show you how to leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to streamline your testing process, making it faster and more efficient. Whether you're new to automation, looking to switch from other frameworks, or just need that extra push to get started, this workshop is perfect for you. You'll learn how to set Playwright from scratch, a step-by-step guide to creating your first test with the help of ChatGPT, how to create proper ChatGPT prompts to get your automation code to clean and working condition, and secret recipe on how to keep growing automation skills with the help of AI. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive resources. If you cannot attend, we still encourage you to sign up so we can share recorded session and access to Discord community of automation professionals who can help you even after the workshop. Don't miss out on this chance to future-proof your career. Click the link to register now and secure your spot. See you there. Secure your spot now.